SciTech, the man behind this meter. Born on November 11, 1853, in Luxembourg, Germany, Breren was the youngest son in their family. His formative years were spent in a humanistic gymnasium that not only focused on classical education but also laid emphasis on emerging science. The fact that he lived in a city that boasted vibrant workshops and strong trade networks coupled with his schooling in one of Luxembourg's intellectual hubs provided the perfect foundation for his fortune contributions. As an inventor, Breren is best known for coming up with a mechanical device, the modern taximeter, with urban transportation exploding in much of Europe. The time was ripe for a fair taxi measuring device that would prevent overcharging by drivers and thus regulate cab prices, working at a precision. Instrument company Western Dap and Piper in Habsburg, Breren built on earlier designs to come up with a mechanism that was commercially viable. The taximeter that he came up with focused on reliability and automation and had many of the features still found in these devices. Today, these included mechanism to prevent fraud during operation and adjustable traffics to account for the number of passengers, the time at which the ride was being taken, the luggage begin stored, etc. Breren applied for a patent for his invention in Germany in 1891 and was awarded the patent early in 1892. Months later, in March the same year, Breren applied for a US patent for the same device, and his patent titled Fair Reasoning Apparatus for Vehicles was awarded on November 1st, 1892. Daimler Victoria, the first cab with a taximeter. By 1897, German engineer Gottlieb Daimler incorporated Breren's invention in the Daimler Victoria, thereby making it the first taxi fitted with a taximeter. While the Daimler Victoria was gasoline powered, the first internal combustion powered cabs with taximeters were still a decade away, and on March 22nd, 1907, having found their way to London, taximeters soon gave their name for the vehicles on which they were mounted, and a new word made its way into the English language. The mechanical variety that Breren invented made way for digital taximeters. With the advent of technology, These days, there are digital taximeters, GPS based taximeters, and hybrid taximeters that combine electronic sensors with GPS. How do electronic taximeters work? In the simplest sense, taximeters, in perspective of the type measure distance and time, convert it to a fare based on the law of the land. The final meter price is usually determined based on the factors boarding rate, mileage rate, and the time rate. The administration of the place in which the taxi or rickshaw is playing determine the maximum rate for each of these three components on a regular basis. So, in order to determine the fare, the taximeters measure the distance traveled and the time elapsed during the ride. In order to calculate distance, electronic taximeters employ electrical pulses. A sensor is attached to the car transmission system and it sends a pulse to the taximeter every time the taxi travels a fixed distance. The number of pulses that are sent out of each kilometer is calibrated initially, and hence the total distance traveled can be determined by taximeter at the end of the ride. Determining the time is more straightforward as the start time is activated the moment the driver starts the meter, and the end time is known when the driver starts the meter and the time ends is known when the driver stops the meter. Based on the time and distance, the fare is determined. Industry transformed. By doing this, taximeters formed the taxi industry at a fundamental level from the days of its mechanical predecessors. The taxi industry saw a radical shift. Gone were the days of the negotiations. Understandable if you are thinking, really? Since this is still prevalent in India, be it for vehicles that use taximeters or those backed by ride-hailing apps and fixed fares that often led to disputes, and they were replaced by an automated transparent metering system. Taximeters were instrumental in reducing friction between drivers and passengers. This is not only improved the efficiency of the overall system but also fostered trust in the ride-hailing model of transport across the globe. This might come as a surprise to you, but there was a time when the motor vehicle inspector used to check the seal of the taxi fare meter. The picture is from one such surprise raid. Photo: The Hindu Archives. Answer: taxi.